Is it recording?
Yeah. Were there any questions about, you want to finish up with, you working on the second and third page, correct? Yes, no, maybe? Huh? Can't hear you. So now, we want to bring the smart board up. This is you have a pencil? Let's go. All right. We should have been on the third page by now. That's where I said you guys have been working in groups, discussing it. We're on the third page. What's the first step we need to do here? Yes, Antoine.
Subtract 19.
Subtract 19. That's at the third page.
Probably
What's
good.
in bed because y'all work in groups?
No, I didn't get the notes.
No copy?
Page has said notes.
Yeah.
I don't get them.
What you need?
I don't get how to do it.
Okay.
What you have been doing?
No, we're doing the third page.
It's
All
13.
the questions 15.
Yeah. Tell me what to do when we go back to notes to help you out. With two variables. What's gonna happen?
It's gonna be 26.
It'll be 26.
Yeah. Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
And you don't have 13.
Makes it 13. Now, who said they did not understand the page with notes on it at the top?
Me, I didn't know how to solve it.
Blushing.
You know how to solve it?
No.
What about you, Jonathan? You understand it? All right, let's go to notes because that's what y'all bring up. We'll go back to that page, notes. Notes on the equation with variables on both sides. We look at the first one. We're gonna have x minus 9 equals negative 15 plus 7x. Plus 7x, correct?
Yeah.
All right, what two things look alike to you? What looks alike? What looks similar?
X and the 7.
X and the 7x.
So if you bring the 7x to the the x,
Mhm.
and then you minus, you add that up and that becomes.
Okay, I got one question. Would it be easier to move the x to the 7 or the 7 to the x? Which
The
is
x
bigger?
is-
The x to the 7.
That's what I was thinking.
So what, see, if you make it over here, it's gonna be a negative over here, right? So would it be easier to move this x over here? You dear, you look lost. Tell me what. Your face is tripping, tell me what you don't understand. The x? Okay. If this is x is here, would this be similar to saying 1x or just x? You kind of know it's kind of like 1x, right? True? So would it be easier to move this one single x over here to the 7 or the 7 over to this 1? That's why we're doing this, okay? So now we're gonna move this x here. Do I have to put 1x next to it?
No.
No. So this kind of becomes like a what?
Cross that.
Cross them out. So you know this is gone now, correct?
So it becomes 6.
this becomes 6. Still rewrite it like you see. Now, who does not understand it to this point here? Who does not? All right, Johnson, tell me where you get lost. Which part?
When you see the
Okay. Do we change the equal sign here? Because this is like a barrier, it separates us, right? So we gotta have this side and this side, because we know what has to happen with these two. What has to happen with these two? Are these two looking like? So this has to do what? This has to be moved over here, then, doesn't it? They have to be separated. That's why we keep that equal sign. That's why we
So
got
where
that.
you got this one?
Because they
7
minus
minus
X.
1.
Minus 1
7 minus 1. That's where we get 6 from. So that's why we keep equal sign, because parents know how to separate the two. Okay? So now, what do you think we're gonna have to do now? Because you asked that question. Subtract what?
15
Okay, we have a negative 15, so what will we have to do?
positive and
What do we have to do? We have a 5, we have a negative 15. What do we have to do?
so right there.
And what? Okay, so we do a positive 15 here.
That's 6.
So what's gonna happen?
That 10 plus 8.
Okay, what else? Go ahead, use your calculator, that's what it's there for.
It's gonna be 6.
Mhm. Now what's your next step?
6 minus.
That's 6 minus
Divided.
6 divided by 6.
It's 1.
So now, when you have two variables, you put things that look alike together. So what looks like, you say the x's, and what else looks alike? The numbers. So you gotta make sure numbers on one side, variables and variable terms on another. You wanna separate them by your equal sign. As long as you know one side is one side, the other side is the other, it doesn't matter. But like I said, think about it. Was it easier for me to bring this one over here or this one over here? Think about those things when you put them together. Don't think about, oh, I need to move the 7 over to the x. This x is small, bring it over here. We could move, if we would move the 9 over here, we had everything on one side. Would that have been good? No. So that's why you separate them, to make sure that equal sign separates them, okay? Now, who else is gonna clear on the 2? Clear it out, because that's why I said the groups are for y'all be working in y'all groups. That's why y'all did well last week with this. We're gonna finish it up. So now, who does not understand this? So you got it? What's your calculator? All right, let's work amongst y'all groups. Y'all work together like y'all did last week. Let's start. Yes. Let me see. Let's go get y'all calculators, ladies.
Can you still see me? Is it recording?
Which one, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, is it still recording?
It's still
Okay. Okay, I want you to look at something. What you ready, son? All right. Y'all more talk in the class, we can let the guests in the classroom. Keep y'all from talking, get started. Okay.
Yeah.
So, why did you do somebody see that? No, it stays together. Yeah, that's where you go. So look at that one. Ladies, let's get started. Brandon, let's get started. We're gonna work this last week.
now would rather you move your customs first or your benefits first. We both have to do
So now,
that. So if you want to make a six first, you
work
can.
together, y'all have to
There's
talk
a
together, work
cost of
together.
six. So you have to change it.
So now, let's make it happen.
So then I'll process.
Start talking.
Yeah.
Okay, so the hand subtract six, so put
Yeah,
minus six
yeah.
here.
Oh, more than
Six minus six is zero, so you can cancel. Bring down your minus seven here. This way. Bring down your equal sign.
That's all right.
And bring down your four x, putting this 17 minus six. Right, so bring down plus 11. Okay. Now,
Minus
you need to
2.
put your x's together. So
Okay,
if
add.
this is a positive 4x, what must you do to eliminate its opposite of positive 4x? Okay, so you know,
There you
subtract
go.
4x here.
Yeah, that's what I want you to see. That's what I
Give me
want you
6.
to think. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want you to see that, okay? Think about it.
Okay.
Yes, put your decimal over.
No, put your
no.
x, you're right,
Yes,
it's
yeah.
4x, 4x.
Hey.
Draw your line, so you have, alright,
You got
so
your hand up?
what's a negative 7?
You got your hand up, hey, when you hear it, I need you work. Now, let's get you, let's see.
It's one.
Calculate, not sure. And how not sure, check your computation. So, type in negative 7, wait, negative 7 minus 4. And hit enter.
Hey, are y'all answering the chat questions or y'all working individually? Like I said, we'll make it work. Let's talk. Let's make it work. Let's go. We'll ask you. Okay, don't matter. Just what is it gonna do?
Oh, no, I didn't know.
This,
Negative 11, okay? So negative 11x equals negative, positive 11. Alright, now let's just solve that. What's the opposite
If
of
it's a
multiplying
negative
by
7,
negative 11?
do I add them to it?
Divide by
okay,
negative 11.
if it's,
That's a negative.
so now, why would you think it's positive, why do you think it's negative?
That's positive, but you subtract.
So what is x equal?
Thank you.
No, I know that. I
That's
thought he
what.
was saying no, because I can
Right.
X equals a
Did I
negative.
say you, did I say you were wrong?
So do I add
Okay,
them?
good.
Yes, when there are always two negatives,
Now,
you do add them.
let me show you how to check your solution.
7, no,
Type
7 plus 4.
E6 into your
That's
calculator.
9.
6
No.
minus 7 times
Yes, let's go.
negative
Hey,
1,
yes, we can get well, let's go.
and then
What you like?
No, I'm saying.
scroll up to the equal sign. I can't see it.
Why is it right?
Oh, it's because it's right here, done. Just hit equal.
Did you
Okay,
use your
equal 4
calculator?
times negative 1 plus 17. Hit enter. And what does it say? Does that mean your solution is correct? Type in everything the way it is, except when you get to your variable, you're in place of your answer. And you can check yourself. Okay, so why don't you do number 3? Uh-huh.
17.
Get it.
6 minus 17.
Okay, what are you gonna bring down?
It's 11.
Good.
11. Oh, it's 1. That
Okay,
was
so
1.
you subtract.
Yes, it is.
So it's 32 minus 4.
7 minus 4? It's not on the minus, it's on the add up. Because that's a negative 7. That's a negative 7.
Now what are you gonna do? What do you
Yes.
Hmm.
No. It's still 11.
Wait, right, two
Right, you gotta
negatives.
subtract 2x.
Wait, is
So
that?
put minus 2x here, minus 2x
Two
there.
negatives.
Because you gotta put your x's together.
Yep, that's more.